Garlic supplements have a significant impact on reducing blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect against cell damage and aging. It may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic has known beneficial effects on common causes of chronic disease, so it makes sense that it could also help you live longer. Garlic may improve physical performance in lab animals and people with heart disease. Garlic was shown to significantly reduce lead toxicity. toxicity. Garlic appears to have some benefits for bone health by increasing estrogen levels. It helps to enhance male fertility and testosterone levels. Garlic helps to improve blood flow, which could help prevent ED. So, garlic is the ingredient for you. I'm using enough of it because the cloves are small, so you can use 2 or 4 large cloves of garlic, grate it or blend it, or cut it into tiny pieces, whichever way that you want. Then place it into a container, a glass cup, or something that you can pour water in. Then after this, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and boil some water. Use hot or warm water. Then pour it into the garlic. Mix the two thoroughly, or leave it to stay for like 30 minutes so that the ingredients will sink in well. Then we need to sieve out the fiber. All we need is the juice. But if you can eat garlic raw, just like that, you can mix it up with the fiber. Then honey can significantly increase nitric oxide levels in the blood. In addition to preventing cardiovascular disease and improving the effectiveness of a workout, nitric oxide is also the chemical behind standing. So mixing honey is a good way to go. But if you have issue with sugar level, you can skip honey or put a very tiny amount. Bye.